Hello scrappers. Starting this video a little late, been kind of working along on this trailer. Got Chris Lessig here. He's a scrapper out of Chickasha Rush Springs area. So if you know anybody out in that area that has stuff to pick up, give him a shot. Here's his shot of his card. So if you want to write that information down or something, just pause the video. But he had a couple planks given to him. So we're going to try to insert those planks into a couple spots. He's got a spot under that one that's bad, and another spot over there, and other than that you can pretty well see what's bad here. Cut some of it out already. I've mounted one tail light so far down there. We got some work on this gate to do too. We're moving slowly, but we're getting there. I got this light we got to put on. Bad thing is I took the other ones off, and our screw holes are a little wider on the ones that were on there than these, so I'm having to enlarge the holes and put a washer on there. But we're making it work. I'm going to try to get the lights wired up where we can zip tie them to the cross members to hold it all up and whatnot, and then we'll run the plug. He's got a 7-pin plug on the truck, but I didn't see the flat 4-pin, so I may have to wire that in. So I'll pick up the video and we'll get a little further along. So, see you in a bit.
We'll have to chalk the trailer before we drive out. If you're downhill, it will.
Yeah. Well, coming along with the trailer, we've got the lights all wired up. That's all good to go. Working like it's supposed to. Apparently this deck was 2x10s, and he had 2x12s that were given to him. It is pressure treated, so that's good. So we had to cut them to length and rip them. So can you guess which are the new boards? Yeah. We still got a small hole right there. We got a spot up in that corner, and a little bit of bad area over here. So we're just going to try to cover them with some plate aluminum. He's got some plate aluminum there, so I'm going to cut a few pieces to cover that. We've got this one piece of board here, but it's pretty warped. So I think we'd be fighting that. I don't think we'd ever get it down flat. So we're just going to kind of blow that one off. So a little bit more patching, and then we got the tailgate. So he's going to leave the trailer here overnight, and then we'll get that tailgate in the morning. It's getting kind of late already, so got about another hour and a half of daylight. So we're going to try to get this patched up, and then that part will be good to go. And it's coming along. So we'll pick it up when we get a little further. Yeah, back again, scrappers. It's the next day, next morning. Yeah, it's a couple minutes till noon. So we got it all patched in. A lot of these, the board was just kind of loose, so we just kind of put those in there to secure the board. That way it doesn't bounce out of place or anything down the road. But got the weak spots covered, the holes covered. So got all that done. Got the working lights and everything, and they look pretty good on the trailer. We didn't wire in backup lights, but usually they don't do much good on the trailer most of the time anyway. But now we just about got this all loose, so get that loose, then we'll cut some of the bad expanded metal out of there, and then we'll try to weld in some other stuff. So we're getting there slowly.
He's doing a good job too.
Yep, back again. Looks like it's pretty safe to walk on now. And then we patched in a pretty good section of the expanded metal on the ramp, and then made another I don't know what you call it, ramp holder, I guess. Whatever you want to call that thing. I had some strapping here, so it just happened to be the right length. So drilled our holes, and then I found a pin for this edge. So I just run that in, then I had a keeper key. So I think Chris is kind of happy with it. I think you said you had something you wanted to say?
He's done a wonderful job on the trailer. I highly recommend him for your scrap metal needs.
Yep. So it's been a project.
And you got the battery thing.
Yeah, I put he needed a battery cable in for his winch too, and I had several of them on hand. To do a junk car or something, I always hang on to those and pick them up here and there. So keep stuff from falling out of his trailer, and a little safer to walk, covered the weak spots, and should last a couple of years, 2-3 years, and then probably have to do a total redeck. But at least we got that far for now. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. I want to thank everybody for stopping by and watching. I thought about trying to record us working, but I thought, no, that'd be kind of boring. So watching us drive screws and whatnot, but cut boards, cut the tent. A lot of this, I think that one piece right there is tin. The rest of this is all sheet aluminum. So give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Take a look around the channel if you would like. Don't forget about the Amazon affiliate link. Lots of goodies on there, and it kind of helps support the channel if you purchase anything. So you guys all take care. I think 60 some degrees today. It's going to be like 68 tomorrow. So I mean, big cry from what it was here a few days ago. But that's Oklahoma. So then I think Tuesday we're going to have rain and colder temps, but not real bad. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy scrapping.